welcome back to my channel. I'm ET. So today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys on some of the fall item clothing that I purchased from the website ROMWE. So ROMWE is a website that's similar to Shein. So as you guys know, that I purchased a few times from Shein already on some of the summer clothing and summer dresses, but I've never purchased from ROMWE before, and I think that they were two of the similar company because they've been selling the same style of clothing. It's just their price range is a little different sometimes. So this time I want to try it from ROMWE to see how their material is and how their quality is, because I always been buying from Shein, right? So I want to try something new and try to buy something from ROMWE. So I picked the fall outfits because they have a lot of cute sweaters on ROMWE that's on sale right now, and they're in great prices. So at this time I purchased a total of 5 of them, and I spent around 50 something, so roughly about $10 per sweater. So I'm really excited to share with you guys and try on. And before we start this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, because I'll be doing more fun video in the future. And also you can follow me on social medias to know more about my daily life. So that's it, without further ado, let's get started. So here's all the clothing that I bought from ROMWE, and I unpackaged all of them already, but I haven't tried them on yet. That's why I'm changing it to this settings to let you guys see me trying it on and tell you guys what my first impression is. Let's begin with this one. This is the one that I was most excited for because it's something that I'd never pick out or imagine myself wearing, because I love the color matching, especially this baby blue. For some reason I'm just loving it. But on the website it definitely looked like a lot less cropped than this one and a lot smaller, because this is a size small, but it looks quite boxy as you can see. But let's try it on to see how it looked like. So as you can see, this is how the first one looked like. It looks actually quite cute when you put it on, and you can use it as like off the shoulder, or you can just move it out, and it looks cute. I really like this one. I like the color block, this color stripe, and this brown color is just reminding me of fall so much because of the maple leaves. And yeah, this sweater is really cute, but the only thing I have to say is that all of their sweater material is really thin. So if you were to plan to wear this just alone in the winter, you'd probably freeze to death, because as you can see, it is really thin. It's not that one, but I get it for the price of it. But the material itself, you can see some of the string is falling off already, so it's not as well made as I thought it would be, but it has a little detailing on the bottom. I like that. I hope that after I wash it, it will like come off or get loose, because I'm having a little concern about washing this one because it seems like it will fall apart pretty quick. But this sweater is really comfortable overall, and I can just wear this underneath on top of a jacket. I can wear this underneath a jacket, and or just wear this at home simply. But yeah, this one's really cute and I really like it. So moving on to this second one. So this one and the one I'm wearing is almost the same design. It's just that the collar is not as wide as the one that I'm wearing right now, and it has a lot more ruffle detailing on the bottom and on the sleeves. So you can see it's just like uneven janky cut type of design, and on the top too. And this is the size medium. It looks quite cropped too, because on the picture it wasn't that cropped. But this one, the material of this one is definitely thicker than the one that I'm wearing, and you can see that the yarn is a lot tighter in this one. So let's try on this one to see how it looks like. So this is how the second one looked like. It looks similar to the first one, but just the neckline is a lot smaller than the first one. So this is the size medium, and it fits better than the small. I don't know, they look about the same size, but the first one is actually small and this is medium. But they all both cropped, and this one is a lot thicker material. and yeah, it's not uncomfortable or anything. It does not poke me. It's really soft and fluffy, and I like it. This one is so cute, especially the color. So this is the brown color, and you know, fall is all about brown and the maple leaf, and yeah, this one's so cute. I can just wear this out because this one is just thicker than the first one, and I like how the sleeve is long too, so yeah, this one is cute. Moving on to the third one, this is the one that I got. It's a really schoolgirl type of feeling because of the collar and the sleeve, so I kind of liking this style for some reasons. That's why I picked out this one, but the material of this one is quite thin too, just like the first one. So but there's no yarn falling out or thread falling out of this one, so I believe this one is pretty good. So let's try it on and see how this one looks like. So this is how the third one looked like. I'm loving this one so far because I just love the design and how the overall look of it. You can do it like a little off the shoulder, or you can just wear as a normal, and you can tuck it in, or you can just leave it out. It's really comfortable. And so moving on, I got this one next. This one is a blue and white stripe sweater. This one is really thin. I thought it would be a lot thicker on the website because this is like the more of an expensive one, so I thought it has a better thickness to it, but this is really thin, and you can just wear it underneath a jacket. It doesn't really matter, and this material is really soft, and yeah, let's just try it out. So this is how the fourth one looked like when it's on. I don't really like it because I thought it would be a little more oversized. Maybe I just should have picked like a bigger size one, but it's a little small, and I don't really like the color of this one because you can see that it's kind of choking me, but it's just, I don't really like this one as much, and yeah, I don't know, it's just really thin and not really my style, I'll say, but it looks really cute though if some other people were to wear it, but maybe just not me. Moving on to the last one. So this one, I have to tell you guys, the price of this one is totally ridiculous because sometimes ROMWE has like a flash sale where all their items go down to $1.99 or like $2.99. So I got this one doing their flash sales at $1.99. So this sweater is only $1.99, and the material of it is really soft. It's thin, but it's not see-through thin. So for $1.99, let's see how this one looks like. So this is the sweater, and it looks pretty cute, I have to say, for $1.99, and it's in great material. It's just that it is a little bit see-through, so you have to wear something underneath it, but other than that, this is really cute for lounging at home, or just wear a jacket on top of it and to put the look together. Yeah, so I don't have no complaints about this one because the stitching of this one is actually really good, because I don't see any string falling out of it or like any damage at all. So it's just like a really cute plain kind of sweatshirt, and it has a little cute peach juice bottle on the side. So I got this in the size large, so I think I was right on upsizing the size, because if I got it in small, I'm pretty sure it's gonna go like really body tight and body hugging types of sweatshirts. But yeah, this is the last one. So these are all the items that I purchased from ROMWE this time. I'm pretty impressed and happy with the materials of it because they are really affordable, but they are really cute and really comfortable. It's not poking me or anything. It's just really soft and comfy for the winters. But I do advise you guys one thing before you purchase from ROMWE because their return policy is a little different from Shein. So for Shein, if you purchase it from their website, their return policy is that you can return for the first time for free, whereas in ROMWE we have to pay for the own return fees, and you have to consult with their sales before you return it. So it's a little bit hassle. So make sure you check the size and check some of the comment before you buy something, because it is a little hassle to return it. But overall, I think their materials are quite good and all of the items is really cute, and I can't wait to wear them during the winter because it's still 90 degrees outside right now. So I can't wait till the fall season come and wear all these cute sweaters. And yeah, that's it. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!